Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday here. Wanted to go through just like I have the last couple days and talk through a few things as we work through the assignment for today. Should be a very similar kind of feel to what you looked at on Tuesday and Wednesday. But today we're actually going to look at our last method of solving systems of equations, which is going to be elimination. So as you open this up, again, just like I have the last couple days, I found a video. It's the same guy that actually did the substitution and elimination video. If you watched either one of those, talks about elimination. And for elimination, what we're looking to do is eliminate one of our two variables because we're in standard form. So as you click on the assignment here, and again, you should have a paper copy as you're working through this here. I've gone through and worked out a couple problems on this so that you kind of have a feel for what we're looking at. And on this, there's 16 questions. Really, there's kind of four sections. And when we talk again about elimination, trying to get rid of a variable, you're going to see everything in standard form. Now, these first four, you're going to be able to go through and add the two equations together. Okay, what we're looking to see is do we have the same number in front of either x or y? Now, the signs could be different, but as long as the number itself is the same, then we can add them. So like on this one, I've got 10 and negative 10. It's okay that one's positive, one's negative. We're going to add these together, and we'll really add column by column. Well, 10x plus negative 10x, those are going to cancel each other out because that's 0. 6y plus negative 4y, that's 2y. Negative 28 is equal, or plus 12, would be negative 16. So we end up with this expression 2y is equal to negative 16. We solve to get y is equal to negative 8. And just like we saw with substitution, just because we have one of the two variables, that doesn't mean we have enough to solve for the second, or doesn't mean we're done. We need to solve for the second one. So I plugged in that negative 8 right there, which I get the ordered pair. Okay, so that's what we're looking to do. Again, if the numbers are the same but the signs are different, we want to look to add. Now on 5 through 8, the numbers are the exact same, whether they're both positive or both negative. So on this, I looked at the y values both were 9. So we're going to actually look to subtract. So when the signs are the same, we want to subtract. So 4x minus 6, that's going to be 4 minus 6 is negative 2. 9 minus 9, those are gone. They've been eliminated. Negative 24 minus negative 18 actually ends up being negative 6 because we minus a negative, we end up adding that. So we divide to get x is equal to 3. We want to look to plug that back in, which is where we get our ordered pair. So again, first four, you should be adding the columns. Second four, you're going to look to subtract. Now on the back side, there's a little bit more work. You'll see on 9 through 12 that we don't have the same number in front of one of our variables, but it should be fairly straightforward for us to get to that. So on number 9, I had x plus 6y is equal to negative 19. 10x minus 12y is equal to 26. What I went ahead and did is multiply that first one by 2. So 2 times x, 2 times 6y, and then 2 times negative 19, which gave me this new equation there in blue, 2x plus 12y is equal to negative 38. So there my signs were different, so I wanted to add each column. Got x equals negative 1. Okay? So that'll be the same thing for 10 and 11. Now, there's multiple ways to approach it, but we want to get the same number in front of x and y. Now, 13 through 16, these are going to be the toughest four. This one, you're going to have to multiply both. Okay, so it's up to you really to choose what's easier for you. I chose to do x and because it was 3 and 2. So I multiplied that top one by 2 and the bottom one by 3 to get a 6 in front like that. So it's the same kind of concept as 9 through 12, but now we're going to have to multiply both. And again, you've got some flexibility on how you do it. Now, similar to what we saw for the substitution, you should not get any decimals. So if you get any decimals, something is wrong, go back and double check. You could watch the video where the teacher goes through and talks a little bit more about it. But I've got these four for you to already work on and check. As you're finished, please just take a picture of both the front and the back and then upload that to Canvas to get the points for today. As always, if there's anything I can do to help, guys, please let me know. I will have my phone or my computer available that I can reach out to you with. So have a great day. And again, let me know if I can help out at all.